You're going to be surprised at how quickly you can set up and place furnitures in ArchiCAD. Whereas in the last video, we carried out the staircase, video linked above. And without waste of time, let's dive in. To place furniture, click on objects, type in what we need this way, type in sofa, choose the type of furniture you are going to use, open to preview and positioning such that you can see the 2D of what you're doing. Sofa layout 27 is what I'm going to choose. The height from the ground to the sofa is 0. Navigate to sofa layout, change this from 2 chairs to sofa with 2 seats. From layout, navigate to dimensions. Space these sofas by 0.50. Move ahead. Under field type, I'll prefer it to be empty. Once done, I'll go down to floor plan and section. Once done, I'm going to move to floor plan and section. Select override object line type, override object pen. Change the color of this to arch, which is this. Select override object attributes. Change all the colors to arch. This to arch. Once done, click OK and position furniture in the parlor. Get rid of this chair, so select the furniture, double click on objects, move to sofa layout. We're going to change it back right to where we see the number of furnitures. Unselect the furniture to the right to fill in the furniture space. Move to contour pen to change the background. We want to choose something like carpet. We're going to fill it in. The kind of pen you're going to use to fill in furniture is going to be lighter, so you're going to use this arch. Change this to this arch. Once done, you're going to click OK. Select on the furniture, click on objects. We are going to change the line pen of the furniture to be a little bit thicker. So change from this to probably this and to something a little bit thicker like this. Once done, we are going to click OK. Place the TV set this way. So click on objects. Type in TV, select a flat screen and then change it to, under flat panel TV settings, we are going to change it to wall mount and then move to preview and positioning. We want it to be at the height of 1.50 from the floor. Once done, we are going to click OK and place the TV this way. Select on one point and rotate. Select on this point and move the TV to the edge this way. Move into the dining section, click on objects, type in table, select the kind of dining table we want to use. This, click OK, position it at the center. Click on objects. The first furniture we want to place is bed. Select this kind of bed and then move to bed settings. Change from dimension and we'll go a little bit in. Under fill background pen, I want to change this color to arch. Once done, click OK, position our bed this way. Right click, move. We're going to mirror from this point to somewhere here. Select this bed and then move it to somewhere at the edge this way. Let's place our wardrobe. So you're going to click on objects, type in wardrobe. Then preferably I like to use this wardrobe. Move to preview and positioning. Move down to wardrobe settings and then make sure you have uniform modules this way. Once done, click OK. Position my wardrobe this way. Select this and rotate. Select from this point and from this point and rotate it up this way. Pick this point, click on drag and drag it right up to this edge. Select this way and reduce it. Use move node. Reduce it to somewhere at the start of this place. Length of our rope is 270. I want it to be 2 meters, so I'm going to type in 2 meters. Press enter. Click on objects, type in cabinet, choose the base cabinet, change it to counter, and we're going to shift above right to where we are going to see counter. You're going to select sink and then click OK. Place it this way. Select from this point, drag a copy and place right up this way. Extend from here. Use your drag command and drag right up to the window this way. Select this way and drag from this point right up to here. This is just a tabletop. Place our gas cooker this way. So click on objects, still on cabinets. Change from the base cabinet L to the base cabinet S. Select counter. We are going to move ahead till where we see counter selected, move down and select cooktop, click OK. We are going to position the next this way, so just select rotate a copy from here to here and finally this way. This is actually opposite, so you are going to select this and mirror a copy. So this is mirror command, mirror from here to here. When you prepare food, you can place it here, and then we are going to create an opening this way that is going to send food to the dining. So click on openings, set the base height to 1 meter, the height of the opening 1.20 meters, and the width 1.20. So we are going to position the opening this way. Prepare food in the kitchen. Instead of carrying it to move to the dining, you place your food this way. When you get to the dining, you extract the food from this opening. Place the sofa this way. So click on objects, type in sofa. Probably we are going to select this sofa. Click OK and place it out this way. Select the sofa. We are going to mirror a copy. So mirror from this point to this point. And we're going to shift that sofa to somewhere here. Click on objects, type in Wese, we select this one, make sure it's under interior furniture, click OK. So you're going to position it this way, mirror a copy, drag from this edge, use the drag command and place the toilet this way. Click on objects, type in shower. Probably I'm going to use this one, click OK and position it this way. We're going to rotate from this point to this point and finally this point. I want to select this and change to move and place it somewhere here. Click on objects, type in basin, select the corner basin, which is this type, click OK. I'm going to position it at this edge. So select this, rotate a copy from here to here. Want to rotate it this way. Select this endpoint, drag and position it somewhere here. We are equally going to place a chair this way. So select objects, type in sofa. We are going to place this sofa out this way. Select this, shift it to somewhere like this. Click on objects, Ctrl A on our keyboard, Ctrl C to make a copy. Right click this way and navigate to first story, Ctrl V to paste all our furnitures. Click paste. So definitely we don't need this part, which is the dining. We don't need these chairs. We are just going to get rid of this kitchen and then get the stuffs for the bedroom. Ctrl Shift D. I want to move a copy from this point to somewhere this way. Place the dressing up this way. So select on this, drag a copy. You're going to place this way. Select on this, rotate. Select this point and this point. You're going to rotate to this point. Select the edge this way, drag and place it somewhere here. Do the same with this bed. Select this bed. You're going to move right up to somewhere this way. The next place we are going to cover is the toilet this way. So I'm going to select all these fixtures for the toilet. Select the toilet, shift, select the shower and the wash and basin. Ctrl Shift D. I can make a copy to this point. Firstly, we want to position the toilet. Choose this point and then drag a copy to somewhere here. We are going to place a bath this way. So you're going to click on objects, type in bath. We want to use the bathtub. Click OK. I'm going to position it this way. Select this, rotate a copy. So you're going to rotate from here to here and here. Select the bathtub, drag, select this point and drag to this end point. If you want to use the shower, we have a shower this way. We are going to position a wash and basin this way. So click on objects, type in basin. You are going to select the bigger type, select this and click OK. You're going to position it somewhere here. So when you enter in the morning to brush your teeth, you can be done here and leave. Here is the dressing. These windows here are just for decoration. So you're going to click on objects, type in wardrobe. I'm going to choose this type of wardrobe, click OK. position the wardrobe across this way. So select this, select from this point to this point. I'm going to drag in the wardrobe from this point to this point. Select this opening, click at the end point, drag from here, click on drag, and the opening should end at where the dressing starts. So you open directly into the dressing. This way we are going to place the shoe stands. So you're going to click on objects, choose the wardrobe framed, make sure you unselect hanger, click OK. Then we're going to position the shoe stand this way. So select this point, rotate a copy from here to here, and then we're going to position it somewhere here. Select this end point, drag a copy to this point, select this end point, move a node such that we can reduce the size of the wardrobe to somewhere here. The master's bed, so click on objects, type in bed that has a two-side cupboard, probably this one. So place the bed. So you're going to select on your bed and try to mirror a copy. So you're going to mirror from this point to this point, and finally somewhere this way. I want to select the bed from this point, drag and position the bed this way. Put two chairs on this section and this section, and we're going to use this type. Ctrl Shift D, select your chair this way and position it this way. Rotate the chair by an angle of 20 degrees. Select the chair, right click, move, mirror a copy. You're going to mirror a copy to that other section. Place the central table this way. Click on objects, type in table, choose the coffee table and position it at the center this way.
If you found this video helpful, you're definitely gonna love what we have next. Click here to discover how to place text and areas. See you on the other side, my friend.